Welcome into the Creeping Pig Cottage Kitchen. You may have heard of turkey a la king, or maybe even chicken a la king, but today the egg comes before the chicken because we are making eggs a la king circa 1973. Let's see if we can put this vintage recipe back on the modern table. This on medium heat. We're gonna begin our eggs a la king with a 1/4 cup of butter. We're gonna let that get melty. Now that the butter is most of the way melted, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour. You guessed it, we are making up a roux. To our roux, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of white pepper. All right, now that our roux has darkened in color just a little bit, we are going to pour in 2 cups of milk. Now make sure you keep this stirring because you do not want your roux to be chunky. So stir vigorously and all the milk goes in at once. Make sure you scrape the edges. I'm gonna let this cook until it gets thick and bubbly. Then we're gonna take it off the heat and mix in our eggs. Now that our roux has gotten nice and thick, we are gonna add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Let's give that a stir. Now we are gonna add in our 6 sliced hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna be gentle with my stirring because I don't wanna break those up too much. All right, now we're gonna add in 6 ounces of mushrooms, a 1/2 cup of peas, and 2 tablespoons of chopped pimiento. Give this a toss. It is certainly very colorful. All right, I'm gonna let this rest on the stove on very low heat just so it stays warm while we prepare the toast. All right, now I've got 6 slices of bread that we are going to generously butter. To our 6 slices of butter bread, I'm gonna add a hearty slice of tomato. Now I'm gonna sprinkle these with salt. These are going under the broiler until they're nice and toasty. Now it's time to plate up our eggs a la king. We've got our buttered toast, broiled tomatoes, and we're going to put a big dollop of our eggs sauce onto each slice. I'm gonna finish this with just a dash, just a sprinkle of parsley. But there we are, folks. Eggs a la king. Now, I'm gonna invite our production crew, better known as John, to have a taste test with me. I present to you eggs a la king. I don't know where to grab at. You gotta make sure you got it all. Egg, peas,
tomato,
mushrooms, tomato. Oh, I forgot about the tomato. Wow, that's a lot to try to get in one bite.
I think I've got it all. I don't know if I have an egg.
I don't think I have an egg, but let's get a little egg.
All right.
All right, cheers.
Mmm. That was really good.
It is really good.
That was really good.
So for dinner tonight, it's eggs a la king.
Yeah, it is.
Cheers. Taste test. Eggs a la king.
What do you think on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would give it a 9.